Easy airbed inflation with AirCinch. The Pavilla Roll and Relax Airbed, twin, with pillow pump, is the perfect partner item for an outdoor excursion. Instead of exhausting lung-powered inflation, the included Air Elite pillow pump inflates the bed in a mere 50 seconds, an average of 5 to 7 hand compressions. Once you are ready to inflate the bed, simply connect the carry bag to the valve on the airbed. Open the bag and swing it up and down to catch plenty of air. Gather up the open end of the bag to trap the air inside. Squeeze the bag to force the air out and into the airbed. It's often easiest to do this by slowly laying on the bag. Repeat until desired firmness is reached. As an added bonus, the carry bag can also be used as a pillow to rest your head for a beautiful night's sleep under the stars. The Roll and Relax has a flocked sleeping surface for comfort, and internal air chambers replace traditional coils. The bed has a dark surface with 2 assorted colors on the outer gusset, lime or orange. When you are ready to deflate the airbed, the interlocking quick-release valve allows for easy deflation. The bed can easily fit back into the carry bag for transport and storage. The airbed is uniquely designed for the outdoors, so you can feel secure knowing your airbed can withstand almost any terrain you wish to explore. Weight capacity is 330 pounds. AirCinch twin-sized outdoor airbed, perfect for camping, festivals, and more. AirCinch certified and tested vinyl construction with flocked sleeping surface. AirCinch comes with pillow pump for lung-free inflation. AirCinch inflates in 50 seconds with 5 to 6 hand compressions.